Hello, guys, welcome to Divine Readings 8, and I am your divine messenger, Juhi. And welcome to this video. This video is all about love, okay? And this video is specially for your love life and just to see what messages are we getting for you and your love life, okay? Basically, I am doing this as a pick a card reading. We have three cards over here. This is card 1, this is card 2, and this is card 3. Okay, all you have to do is pick any one card on the basis of the stones that I've kept there, or just anything that resonates with you. Okay, so let's see which card has what stored for you. Just close your eyes and just think whichever cards resonates with you, and then you can look at the timestamps that I have put in the details. Okay, guys, if you have any confusions, you can definitely check out the comments box as well. I will pin the timestamps over there as well. Okay, let's move on to the card 1 that we have. Okay, let's see what do we have in the card 1 for us. Great. So card 1, all I have to say is, for your love life, we are getting a message for you which says communicating freely. Somewhere I feel that you are not able to communicate. If you're having a relationship with somebody, okay, if you have a partner, I feel that there is a lack of communication with your partner. Somewhere, either you or your partner, you are not able to express what you're going through. Okay, one of the partners is not able to communicate properly, or maybe there is a communication gap. Even if maybe you all are not getting time to spend with each other, maybe you all are not getting the time to talk to each other properly. So my suggestion and the card suggestion for you is start communicating freely with your partners. Okay, I can see it is written, I communicate from the depths of my being. Okay, from the depths of my being. So start communicating with them. Okay, if you have something in your mind and if you feel that you should share it with your partner, I think you should definitely go ahead and share it with your partner. Okay, so yes, please do the same and communicate it with your partner. And if you feel bad about something, and you're not able to say that, I think it's time to start speaking up, because sometimes your partner doesn't know why you're behaving in a certain way. So once you start telling them the reason that why you're behaving in a certain way, I think then there will be a resolution. There will be chances that there will be less fights for you, right? So this is for those who are in love. And if you're single, I think you have somebody in your mind and you're still thinking whether you should speak up to them and express your feelings. I think you should go ahead and communicate with them. At least you can start talking with them, and then you can get to know what is there on their mind. Are they available to relationships, or what do they think about you? Okay, if you want, you can also express your feelings. Okay, so start communicating freely if you have a crush on somebody, or if you're in a relationship with somebody. Okay, guys, let's see what do we have for the second card. Okay, the second card says opening to love. My heart is open. Somewhere I feel that this card is for some people who are single. Okay, and these people are little bit resisting themselves from getting involved in a love relationship. And even if they are in a relationship, I think somewhere there is a lack of commitment in them, that I feel. Okay, so I feel there is a certain thing that is required. You need to feel that you need to be loving, you need to open to love, you need to be open to receiving love. Okay, guys, so open yourself up to love, even if you're in a relationship or even if you're dating somebody. And I feel that there is a lack of commitment from your end. So I think there it is something to do with your past, that you are not able to get involved in a serious relationship. If it is so, I think it's time to open to love. I think there is some heart chakra blockages here. I think you need to start saying some affirmations like, I am open to love, I am, I deserve to be loved, okay? I'm receiving love. This is what you have to do. You also need to practice self love a lot, okay? Open up yourself towards love and the things that all everything that you want is going to get sorted, things are going to get better, okay? You deserve to be loved, and I feel that there are people around who really love you, but somewhere you are resisting yourself from that love, okay? That is what I have for you for card 2. Let's see what messages are we getting for card 3. Amazing, listening with your heart. I trust the messages I receive from my heart. Now I feel that these people are extremely clairsentient. These people, I think I've got two heart cards, okay, and I'm glad that for the love relationship and for the love reading I've got these cards, and I'm glad that I've got it. Guys, you need to follow your heart. You need to do what your heart wants you to do, okay? Whatever your heart says, you need to start following it, okay? Listen to your heart. Rather than listening to what others say now, I think you should start listening to your heart. Trust the messages that you get, whatever your heart says, okay? Trust yourself, trust your heart rather than trusting others. I think others can let you down sometimes, but your heart will never let you down. Correct? So, yeah, listen to your heart, listen with your heart, and that is the message that I have for all three cards today. Okay, guys, this was in regards to your love life and for singles and also for those who are in a relationship. Okay, guys, that's all I have for this today's video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you resonate with this, please share in the comment box. Okay, guys. Anyway, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.